Canadian Navy now records in their logbooks the largest number of undersea enemy craft yet brought into an Allied port. Interception of 15 German U-boats takes place off the coast of Norway. Canadian frigates, which had provided escort for so many convoys across the sub-infested Atlantic, take over. Positions of escort are taken up around the subs, and the strange convoy sails to a northern Scottish port. Former arrogant U-boat personnel stand meekly as they obey surrender instructions of the RCN. Stripped of most of its armament, the once formidable wolf pack now lies listless and helpless. The further disintegration of the German Navy is continued with the capture of midget two-man subs in Holland. Left high and dry on the dockside, they are grim evidence of Nazi Germany's complete defeat.